Welcome to our deep dive into the nutritional powerhouse of an exotic superfruit. Today, we're uncovering what makes this fruit so special and how it can supercharge your health. Today, we're talking about the incredible dragon fruit, also known as pitaya. This vibrant, striking fruit isn't just beautiful, it's packed with a surprising array of nutrients. So what makes the dragon fruit a superfruit? It's simple. Its exceptional nutritional profile. It's an antioxidant powerhouse, a fantastic source of fiber, and loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, all wrapped up in a low-calorie package. Originating from Central and South America, dragon fruit is now cultivated worldwide, especially in Southeast Asia. Beyond its beautiful appearance, it's commonly enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, juices, and even as a vibrant addition to desserts. Let's break down the core macronutrients that make up this incredible fruit: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. You'll be surprised by its balance. Dragon fruit offers a good amount of carbohydrates, primarily in the form of dietary fiber. This fiber supports digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. While not a primary protein source, dragon fruit does contain a small amount of protein, including some essential amino acids. This contributes to its overall nutritional completeness. The tiny black seeds within the dragon fruit are rich in healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for brain function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Moving beyond macronutrients, dragon fruit is a treasure trove of vitamins, each playing a vital role in keeping your body healthy and functioning optimally. Dragon fruit is particularly rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. It also contains notable amounts of vitamin A and several B vitamins, all contributing to your overall well-being. Vitamin C boosts your immune system. Vitamin A is crucial for vision and skin health, and B vitamins support energy metabolism, converting food into fuel for your body. But the nutritional journey doesn't stop at vitamins. Dragon fruit is also packed with essential minerals that are fundamental for numerous bodily functions. You'll find minerals like iron for healthy blood, magnesium for muscle and nerve function, and potassium for maintaining proper fluid balance and blood pressure within dragon fruit. These minerals are vital for everything from bone health and muscle contractions to nerve signaling and maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. What truly sets dragon fruit apart is its impressive array of antioxidants and unique phytonutrients, which offer profound health protective benefits. Dragon fruit contains powerful antioxidants like beta-cyanins, which give it its vibrant color, along with flavonoids and hydroxycinamates. These compounds combat oxidative stress in the body. These unique compounds help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and may lower the risk of chronic diseases, making dragon fruit a true health ally. In summary, dragon fruit offers a multitude of health benefits, making it an excellent addition to any diet. From boosting immunity and supporting digestion to promoting heart health and fighting disease, dragon fruit truly earns its superfruit title. Its unique blend of nutrients is hard to beat. It's easy to enjoy. Add fresh slices to your breakfast, blend it into smoothies, or toss it into a vibrant fruit salad. Your body will thank you.